Sharing files and an internet connection at home is easier than you might think. In this video, we will explain how to set up a home network in Windows. Most home networks start with a router, which broadcasts your Wi-Fi and connects your devices. To join it, click the network icon in your taskbar, select your Wi-Fi name, enter the password, and you are online. To share files between computers, make sure each one is set to a private network in your settings, which allows them to discover each other safely. Turn on network discovery and file sharing in the advanced sharing settings. Then you can right-click any folder, choose properties, and share it with other devices on your network. You can also share a printer this way, letting every computer in the house print to it. For a stronger, faster connection, connect important devices with an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Always protect your network with a strong password to keep strangers out. With a little setup, your home devices work together smoothly and conveniently.